Hello everyone, my name is Elena Shvab and I'm a hat designer based in London, and I wanted to share really exciting news. I'm very happy about it, as today, just right now, I finished filming my new video course about how to make Fedora hats. And these are examples of the hats that I am teaching to make during the video course. So I am teaching how to manipulate the felt, how to stiffen felt, how to use beautiful hat blocks, how to use professional tools, and how to, most importantly, and I think this is the most amazing technique to learn, is how to use steam in order to hand shape your hats and create really beautiful designs and styles. So basically, when you learn the technique of hand shaping and steaming the felt, you have opportunity to learn how to create beautiful shapes and how to, for example, this one, how to create different styles, not just traditional fedora hats. Obviously, this is about fedora hats, so I'm teaching how to make classic style, but also how you can implement your creativity and your personality into creating styles and designs that reflect your personal style. This is really beautiful hat, beautiful color, and beautiful shape that I'm showing how to make during the course. And honestly, I can't wait to start editing, and hopefully in a couple of weeks, the course will be live and available to purchase on my website. You can also sign up for my YouTube membership and get access to other video courses. And this course also will be edited to my YouTube channel. So you're welcome to subscribe. And yeah, really excited, and just wanted to share this moment and to remember that, because it was a lot of days of filming, a lot of logistics, a lot of information. So I wanted to make it very descriptive, very informative, very detailed, so that just with this video course you can purchase your materials and easily create your own hats. So obviously I wanted to include a lot of details and information, so it will be easier for you to follow the steps and create the beautiful fedora hats. And well, this is it. And any comments, any questions about the course and how to purchase the course, when it's going to be available, any other questions, what is included, please feel free to ask any questions below this video. And thank you everyone who joined this live session today. I'm wishing you a wonderful weekend and see you soon. Bye.